Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that many car owners face, the infamous P0444 code. If you've seen this code pop up on your OBD-II scanner, it means there's a problem with the Evaporative Emission Control System EVAP Purge Control Valve Circuit. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through the steps to diagnose and fix it. Let's dive in. P0444 indicates an open circuit in the EVAP Purge Control Valve. This valve is responsible for controlling the flow of fuel vapors from the charcoal canister to the intake manifold. If it's not working properly, your car may not be able to efficiently manage those vapors, which can lead to an increase in emissions. There are a few culprits that commonly cause the P0444 code. Let's break them down. Loose or faulty gas cap. This is the most common reason. Make sure your gas cap is clicked shut all the way. Some caps have a rubber seal that can wear out over time. You can try replacing the cap for a few bucks. EVAP Purge Control Valve. This valve controls the flow of vapors into the engine. It can get stuck or malfunction. We'll check for functionality later. EVAP system leaks. Leaks in hoses, the canister, or other parts of the system can trigger the code. These leaks can be trickier to find. Check the gas cap. This is the easiest fix. Tighten it all the way and see if the code goes away after a few drives. If not, move on to step 2. Inspect the EVAP Purge Control Valve. Optional. The location can vary by car model. Consult your repair manual or a quick web search to find it. With the engine running, carefully place your finger over the vacuum hose connected to the valve. You should feel a slight suction. If not, the valve might be stuck and need replacing. If the simple checks don't solve the problem, you might have a leak in the EVAP system itself. Finding these leaks can be a challenge and may require specialized tools like a smoke machine. In that case, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic. Once you fix the issue, you'll need to clear the code from your car's computer. Some vehicles have a reset button, but usually you'll need a scan tool. You can often borrow one from your local auto parts store. After clearing the code, drive your car for a few days and check if the code comes back. By following these steps, you should be able to diagnose and fix the P0444 code in your car. Remember, start with the simple fixes first. If you're not comfortable with any of these steps, don't hesitate to take your car to a mechanic. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below if you have any questions and let us know what video you'd like to see next.